We are the last race of the season at Mountain Home. There's a ton of rigs down here today, which is awesome. So we'll get a little bit of, before everybody kicks off an engine, a little bit of a walk around. This is a good crowd. There's only 5 in my class, but the open class is going to be pretty entertaining, I think. There might be some interesting things. But we'll try and go down a track straight. Well, another race season is done. I got the Jeep all cleaned up and the nitrous pulled out, and I seem to be in one piece after the last race, so that's a good deal. I just wanted to, I was talking to somebody who had never raced down there before, and they raced the first time, and they were asking me why I continue to keep going down there and doing it. And I told them it's because it's just so much fun to race the guys that you hang out with all the time and run trails with, and none of us take it too seriously, and everybody helps everybody.
And they were surprised because we all park next to each other and hang out between races, and you know, we're friends, and they just thought that was so funny because we were racing. And I'm like, no, I wouldn't come down here and do it if it wasn't like that. So that's the end of another summer of sand drags. Thanks to Outcast Motorsports and Wild West for putting on the races. We wouldn't be doing it without all the efforts, and I know what a pain in the butt it must be to put on all those events. So thank you guys for doing that. All right, until the next video, thanks.